We are flying over the most famous beach in Cyprus, Nissi. This is a 360-degree video, and you can manually rotate the camera in any direction. Just tap the screen anywhere and drag it left, right, up, or down. Take a look at the beach from all angles. This is how Nissi looks at the end of September. Please note that in some places, the water has a slightly greenish hue. Starting from August, algae bloom here due to the water being too warm, above 30 degrees Celsius. But closer to the Iceland, everything is fine. By the way, Nissi is translated from Greek as Island. Now we are approaching the Vassos Nissi Plage Hotel, while behind us, there are the Nissi Beach Resort and NissiBlu Beach Resort. Up ahead, you can see the Adams Beach. All these hotels are quite impressive, and there are videos about them on our channel. There is a belief that the sand on Nissi Beach is imported because it is too white for the Mediterranean and resembles coral. This belief is mistaken. The sand here is native and of natural origin. If you turn your gaze towards the sea, you will see that the sandy bottom extends for many kilometers along the entire coast. Let's take a flight above the island. Everyone enjoying their time at Nissi Beach should visit this charming little rock. Fortunately, it's easily reachable through the shallow waters. Moreover, during low tide, the island connects to the beach through a picturesque, narrow, sandy path, enhancing the beauty of this location even further. The whiteness of the seabed gives the water a brilliant blue color, just like in coral lagoons. This is what makes beaches in Ayia Napa, like Nissi, Makronissos, Landa, Konos, and others unique. Have a great holiday.